If you are experiencing issues with your Apple Pay and seeing a message that says Contact Card Issuer, do not worry. This is a common issue that can be easily resolved. To start, make sure your card is eligible for Apple Pay and that it is supported by your bank. First, check that your card is properly added to the Wallet app on your iPhone. If it is not, open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign, and follow the prompts to add your card. If your card is already added, try removing it and then adding it back again. Next, ensure that your card information is up to date and that there are no issues with your account. Check your account balance and make sure there are no holds or restrictions on your card. Another possible reason for the Contact Card Issuer message is that your bank may have flagged your card for security reasons. In this case, you will need to contact your bank directly to resolve the issue. They may need to verify some information with you or take other steps to unblock your card. It is also possible that the issue is with Apple Pay itself, rather than your card or bank. Try restarting your iPhone or updating to the latest version of iOS to see if this resolves the issue. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you may need to contact Apple support directly for further assistance. They will be able to help you troubleshoot the issue and get your Apple Pay up and running again. In summary, to fix the Contact Card Issuer message in Apple Pay, check that your card is eligible and supported. Ensure it is properly added to the Wallet app. Verify that your account information is up to date, and contact your bank or Apple support if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and start using Apple Pay again.